I take real good care of my tools, or at least I try to. But apparently, I don't always think of everything. Recently, I was doing some turning and I could not get this spur drive to stay in the Morse Taper. I could put it in there, push it in with a piece of wood, and still drag it out with my fingers with a little effort. Shouldn't be like that. Well, finally, I got down and I looked into the Morse Taper, and it was disgusting. There was dust and accumulated debris of some kind in there, and I took a piece of shop towel, wrapped it around this 5/16 dowel, shoved it in there, got the lathe spinning, and it just came out black. Now, I did this a couple of days ago. The garbage is gone. I can't show it to you, but believe me, it was gross. And I could not seem to get it all out of there. I used a few paper towels or shop towels. And finally, I tried WD-40. I tried some blade and bit cleaner that usually takes anything off, and it was not coming out of there. So finally, out of desperation, I tried Axe Abrasive Sanding Paste. Now, I would not suggest doing this constantly, but it really did a great job of taking it out of there. And now it is spotless. My different Morse tapers will fit in there and hold really well. And I just thought I'd share that with you, because if you, for some reason like me, don't clean it properly, this worked really well. I do not have one of those Morse Taper cleaners, those plastic things you put in and screw in there. So anyway, I just wanted to share this because it worked really well. I'm really happy with it, and maybe it'll work for you. So if you like this tip, click the like button. Let me know you do. Share it with your friends, maybe somebody out there that you know is not cleaning it properly. So till next time I see you, have a great day in your shop and be safe. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next time. Take care now.